The MEC is sending messages of condolences to the families of the bereaved families.
Ingozi yendlela iqede isitshaba endleleni esele yaziwa ngokuthi ibulala abantu eLimpopo. Ziyachayisana impendulo zabofakazi eqaleni likaMeyiwa elilalelwe ekhotho ephakemeko yePitori.
We need to find a permanent solution to this matter, as this goes beyond just rugby.
Samkelwe isivumelwano phakathi kwe-Multi-Choice kunye ne-SABC sokuthi i-SABC irhatshe imidlalo yebhigiri yephasi kamakhakhula-rarhwe. Ngiyathokozisa bona sibuye sihlanganiswe zindaba zesiNdebele lapha ku-SABC 1. Akwande sitshaba sekosi. Kubhubhe abantu abasithandathu abanye balimala engozini yokuchayisana kweteksi netraka ku-N1 eLouis Richards eLimpopo namhlanje ekuseni. Kuthiwa itraka ebeyilayitsha ama-tiles beyisuka eMusina iya eJohannesburg kanti iteksi beyiya eZimbabwe.
Ingozi yenzeke endleleni edlula ncange endabeni zeWitwatersrand. Indlela le evulekileko idume ngengozi ezibulala abantu. Isebangeni elimakhilomitha amane nawusuka edrobheni leLouis-Richard. Ngokutsho kozibonele ngamehlo isenzeka ingozi le, uthi trucker ebelidosa itrailer lilahlekelwe lilawulo ngemva kokubhalelwa kubopha la yokuchayisana neteksi.
Itruck yaluza amabhreki yayoshayisana nequantum kwashona abantu bebequantum. Ya ilokho engikutholile okwenzekile. Siya eZimbabwe i-accident le isidileke kakhulu baba. Isidileke kakhulu since izolo ebusuku.
Umtshayeli wetraka ugijinyiselwe esibhedlela. Imphathiswa zendlela eLimpopo zikhombela bonke abatshayeli ukuthi batshayele ngokuhlokomela.
The MEC is sending messages of condolences to the families of the bereaved families and also advise and encourage everyone to take extra precautions on the road, especially when we are getting into this weekend.
Okwanje kuthiwa indlela N1 seyivuliwe ngemva kobana kuthethe isikhatshana kuhlwengisa nakususwa imfahlafahla.
Abasolwa ababili ecaleni elimalungana nokubulawa kwakaSenzo Meyiwa bayaphika ukuthi bebasehostela eForslorus ngelange kwabulawa ngalo Meyiwa. Imininingwana le ivele namhlanje ngesikhathi ufakazi wombuso uConstable Sizwe Zungu ethula ubufakazi ekhotho ephakemeko yePitori namhlanje. uZungu uveze ukuthi bebahlanganyele endawana nabasolwa abahlanu aba.
Umsolwa wokuthoma umuzi Sibiya nowesibili ubongani Ntanzi othi akazani noZungu yena. Bayiphikile ukuthi bebanozungu endaweni yomzukulu kaSizwe Zungu eSuthi Hostel eForslorus ngelanga ekwabulawa ngalo uMeyiwa. Kodwa uZungu uligandelele ekhotho lokuthi bebabonke. Kodwa nabasolwa ababili laba bathi bebangekho nokuba khona esifundeni seGauteng ngalelo langa.
So comment if you want to comment.
Makuthi ke khona ungakusho lokho ungaphawu.
Akukho engakusho ngaZungu umsebenzi wakhe eCartonville. Kodwa engikwazi ukuthi ngambona nge-26.
Nge-25, i-26, 27 kusho ukuthi ngalesa sikhathi ke isigameko bese senzeka ke wayengekho la eGoli yena.
Nama.
He's telling lies.
uZungu uthi ubongani Ntanzi kwathi nabe basiditshe bonke njalo wanyamalala isikhatshana. Wathi nakabuya kwabe sekambethe islamba. Kodwa uNtanzi uthi akazani noZungu yena.
Umsolo wesibili ke na uthi akakwazi nje, akakwazi kwanhlobo nje. Qala ukubona izolo la enkantolo.
Uyazi ukuba bekushiwo mhlambe u-accused number 3, accused number 4, number 5 bengavumelana nawo.
Ikhotho iphume msinya ngemva kokuthi ijaji uCharles Mnisi ojamele umsolwa wesithathu abhalile ukuchuka ngemibuzo uZungu. Uthi ufuna imihlolo yamambala eyafungelwa ngoZungu emalungana nokwenzeka ngesikhathi basehostela leyo.
Sekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile uthi iSouth Africa yawufumana kwababebusa ngaphambilini umukhwa wokungalingani ngokobutshaba kunye nokuhlogeka kwamakghonofundwa. uMashatile obokhuluma embizweni yama-28 ye-National Economic Development and Labour Council ebanjelwe eMidrand namhlanje. Imbizo le ikhombele ukuthi ngenelelwe ekwakhweni amathuba omsebenzi kunye nokukhuphuka kwentengo chukuluko kunye nomraro wokuqindeliswa kwegezi.
uMashatile uthi ukuhlogeka kwemisebenzi sekuyinto ojwayelekileko ebantwini abanzima. Uthi uhulumende ngokubambisana nenkampani kunye namabhizinisi bangaba nomthelela ekulungiseni umraro wemisebenzi elizweneli. uMashatile uvumelane nezinye iziqundo ezenziwe ezinkulu zenkampani zokusebenzisana nohulumende ukwakha ngobutsha umnotho. Kanti wamukela nokujuguluka kancane kwembalobalo zokuhlogeka kwemisebenzi okwehlele ku-32.6 ekoteni yesibili yomnyaka. Kodwa isekela likaMengameli lithonyekile ngokuphela kwemisebenzi kweminye imikhakha.
The best that can be said here is that the trend is heading in the right direction, albeit at a slow pace. Serious concerns such as job losses, particularly in sectors like manufacturing, persists.
Isikole esimnqophise network uLisa Seftel uthi basehlelweni lokuphetha ngomgomo wendonga yegezi. Uthi mnengi umsebenzi wenziweko ukubuyekeza amahlelo abasebenzi kodwana abakaqedi ngeminye imithetho-mlingo. I-network ithonyekile ngentengo juguluko ephezulu eraga ngokuthinta abantu abadobha phasi. Kanti nokujugujuguluka kobujamo bezulu kukhamba phambili njengoba namazinga okutshisa eSouth Africa aphezulu ngesilinganiso esibuyelelwe kabili emhlabeni zombelele okuthinta umkhakha wezokulima okwenza bona kugcine kususwe abantu endaweni nabo. Uthi kunongaboni ngelihlo linye emgomeni ekubingwe ukujugulula umnotho ngayo.
We could mostly agree about what we have to do in the short term, what we have to do about the ports, what we have to do about load shedding. But we do not agree on the systemic long-term program to turn the economy around. We do not have the same economic vision for the future.
Business is absolutely clear that without investment on the back of which we build inclusive growth, we can't address these crises that we see.
Imbizo le iyavuma ukuthi kesinye isikhathi kuthatha isikhathi eside ukufika esivumelwaneni ngemgomo ejugululako kanti lokho kubetha umnotho.
I-Union nehawu ePalamende ithi ifuna ukwakhiwa ngobutsha komakhiwo omdala nomutsha wePalamende nokukhutshwa kombiko womlilo kwenzeke ngesikhathi sinye. Kodwa na iPalamende ithi lokhu ngeze kwakhonakala ngombana umbiko lo ubaluleke kakhulu uzokukhutshwa nakwenziwe yonke ikambiso ekufanele yenziwe. Njenganje ukwakhiwa ngobutsha nokuhlolwa kwembiko emibili le selekuthomile.
Sekudlula inyanga ezilithumi-9 solo kwatsha imakhiwo emibili yePalamende ekwatshiya umonakalo omkhulu. Sekuthonyiwe ukwakhiwa ngobutsha kwamakhiwo wePalamende ukulungisa kwemakhiwo emibili le kuthome ngokususwa kwequqo emvekeni emibili ezidlulileko.
This rubble removal will continue until October. At the same time that this work is taking place, there is a team also of assessors who are assessing the stability of some of the structures inside.
I-Union inehawu ikuthabele lokhu kodwa nanyana njalo ifuna bona kube nokuziphendulela ngombana ithi umlilo lo ubangelwe budlapha njengoba nayikhola bona bewungakhandeleka.
We believe that the rebuilding phase must also go on hand in hand with the consequence management in terms of taking action against those people who are responsible.
Inehawu ithi iyakwamukela ukwakhiwa ngobutsha kwemakhiwo le kanti ithi ifuna nombiko wokugcina wesihlakalo sokutsha kwawo ukhutshwe ngokurhabako.
We expect a report to be issued. We'll definitely approach the Secretary to Parliament formally. We'll write to him to request the report. If he's not ready, we'll request him to fast track.
Nanyana njalo iPalamende ithi umbiko womlilo uzokukhutshwa naselulungile njengoba nakuyikambiso ebudisi le.
It's a very sensitive legal process, and once that process has been, it cannot be rushed.
Umuthapo uthi ukwakhiwa kungikho kwemakhiwo emibili le kuzokuthoma umnyaka zawo ngomhlolanja kanti kuzokuthatha iminyaka emibili kuphela.
Nasibuya Ntolo.
Makho afuni ngendawo zawo nokuye bathi uyogereza inkuni njengamnje nogereza inkuni kubanzima ukuthi uzithole.
Abantu abahlala eplasini emagega nendlela iHerzog na uchinga emalahleni eMpumalanga basole umnikazi omutsha weplasi ngokubathagisa nje bayachaka. Usabukela indaba zesiNdebele ku SABC 1 kanti nawuqeda ukufika siyakwamukela. Khumbula ukuthi indaba ziyatholakala ku Facebook na ku YouTube. Abacimimlilo abangaphasi kwehlelo lomsebenzi wezomphakathi Extended Public Works Program esiyingini sesikhukhune bangale umsebenzi ngemva kwenyanga embili bangaholi. Amaziko wencimamlilo njengendubazi eBekersford anabacimimlilo ababili kwaphela abasebenza kwechifini ngayinye. Abacimimlilo bafungile bona abazokubuyela emsebenzini ukufikela lapho ababhadelwa khona.
Ezikweni lencimamlilo endubazi eBekersford ikuthulile. Iziko lelisiza iBekersford, iOgstad nezinye indawo ezingaphezulu kwama-50. Nanyana kunjalo, emsebenzini ingena abantu ababili kwaphela abaqatshelwe safuthi ezikweneli. Lokhu njengoba abasebenzi be-EPWP bangalumsebenzi ngemva ukuthi bangabhadelwe inyanga embili zonke.
92% of the staff are volunteers and also engaged under EPWP, of which they are not being paid as per requirement and as per the contract.
Indawo emakhilometha amakhulu amabili kusuka lapho, iGroblersdal lapha ama-ofisi wesingisi kamasipalata wesikhukhune avaliwe ngemva kokuthi abacimimlilo be-EPW bavala amasango. Abasebenzi bathi baqeda imveke entathu solo baba umholo wabo.
None of them actually gave us an accurate answer why are we still not paid.
Abasebenzi bathi ukungaholi kwenza impilo yenyukele.
Affecta negatively so because I can't patela ngwana school, I can't patela transport, the police.
Inhlangano eziphikisako zithi izinyanga embili kwaphela kungenwe eminyakeni omutsha wemali kumasipalata. Kodwa umasipalata wesingisi sesikhukhune uthomile kodwa ukutshengisa amathoya okubhalelwa kusebenzisa imali ngefanelo.
Inale almost dibeke tse tharo re bolela le MM gore wa batho ba sa patelwa anorara batla gola letsetsi le latela matla gola letsetsi le latela na mme o tlwaetse o bolela maka.
Abacimimlilo abangaphasi kwehlelo lemsebenzi yomphakathi EPWP endubazi bathi bakubuyela emsebenzini nabangabhadelwe imholo wabo ngemva kokuba ukukhulumisana nomasipalata lo amahlandla ambalwa. Umasipalata wesingisi sesikhukhune uthusalinga ukuthola unobangela okungabhadelwa kwabacimimlilo aba.
Umasipalata wedorobha leTshwane uthi uqalene nomraro endabeni yokulawulwa kwenzibi njengoba na umchakalo wabasebenzi bakamasipalata lo ugcina ungezelela ukulahlwa kwenzibi ngendlela engakafanele emalokishini weTshwane. Nanyana kunjalo umchakalo lo wamenyezelwa njengongasisemthethweni ikhotho yabasebenzi kodwa nasolo uyaraga kanti nje sele kuzinyanga embili uraga.
Abantu beAtteridgeville bathi indawo yonke seyiphenduka amazala. Hlangana nenzibi kubalwa implastiki, ukudla okonakeleko kunye nefuyo efileko elahlelwa lapho kugcine sekunuka isivunda. Umraro lo uthinta kakhulu amabhizinisi womphakathi.
The customers, they can't come here because they think we are selling like the place is dirty. The place is dirty, so when they look around the background, it's like our things also they are dirty.
Nje abantu sebazibuthelela ngokwabo inzibi bayozilahla ngombana basahona ukubambelelela umnuko olapho.
Hotletse dintšhi hotlhe mo ditlakala le maleiri motle ba no latlhela so ne re kopala masipalata to re thusa ka ditlakalatse.
Ana ba bang ba lwala gone banong so ya a go monate sham entshwantse re patele hape gore batho ba khone re latlhela ditšhi.
Umasipalata weTshwane uthi isiqheme esitsheje indaba zomchakalo sele kunokhunye esikwenzako mayelana nobujamo obu.
We have put in very strong intervention plans from last week again to lift bins that have not been lifted at all, as well as a scheduled program.
Uweklin uthi umasipalata lo usakhulumisana neunion yabasebenzi isamu kodwana solo bajamile endabeni yokuthi abasebenzi nabangasebenziko abakazi ukubhadelwa.
I can tell you that most people have gone to work. People don't want to strike. Most of our electricity teams are back to work. Most of our water departments are up and running at the moment, and we are tracking that on a morning and in the afternoons.
Union le ifuna abasebenzi bakhuthulelwe imiholo nge-5.4% kodwa umasipalata weTshwane ulikhomba la uthi batsho akanayo imali leyo.
Abantu ekhabe basebenza eKomati Power Station bathi ukuvalwa kwepower station le kube nemthelela emimbi empilweni yabo. Impumalanga Young Communist League iphakamise bona ivulwe ngobutsha ipower station le eseMiddleburg eMpumalanga. Abasebenzi bebasekelwe naliphiko labatsha beANC, iNUM neKhosathu eMpumalanga.
basilingekile bebakhulula izinhloko labasebenzi ngokuvalwa kweKomati Power Station basele basemhlagweni abantu abam
impilo zabantu zime kabuhlungu mntakababa to be eqinisweni abantu ngobuningi bebesebenza la kule power station kunamalahle kunezimayini zamalahle bezisebenza maduzana nale power station lo mnotho wonke obolethwa ile power station usushabalele
angisakhona ukusurvive right the way bengisurvive ngakhona as usual sengiphila nje ngendlela yokuthi mhlambe I must ukuthi ngizame lapha nalapha la ngikhona ukuthi ngizame
bathi azange kwahlelwa ngefanelo nakwenziwa izinto njeke umnotho ufatalele.
More than 2,000 people have lost their job. That is not just. Taxi people who were busy doing business here and small businesses, they have lost their opportunity without a thorough explanation from our government.
Ivekele ilizwe ligcine selifika esigabeni sesithandathu sokuqindeliswa kwegezi. Ungqongqotshe wegezi uDr. Khosiyenzo Ramokhupa ukhambisana nezinye izinto abantu abazichoko.
I agree with the fact that our actions must be subject to comprehensive and thoroughgoing consultation with all stakeholders that are involved.
Ungqongqotshe ubawe ukuthi akhalungise nendaba yobukhohlakali kwa Eskom.
Kusesenjalo iphiko labantu abatsha beANC belithagala ngaphandle kweplus iVaterval Farm eVerina eMpumalanga. Umthakalo lo uza ngemva kwembiko yokuhloriswa nokuthuselwa kwabantu abahlala eplasini ekuzwakala bona abathuselwa mnikazi omutsha weplasi. Umbiki indaba wethu uzanele Sibiya ukhambe wayesithathelana kumbiko esiuzwa emoyeni ngephimbo lika Comfort Masombuka.
Abanye abantu abahlala kuleli plaza bebathukiwe besaba ukukhuluma nababiki indaba ngenxa yokukhahlonyezwa ekuzwakala bona kwenziwa mnikazi weplaza. Omunye ohlala eplasini eliseduze naleli uthi baphila ngevalo.
Makhuwa afuni ngendawo zawo. Sithi na umbereko lo ubanzima ukuthi uthole la kibo nokuye ubathi uyogereza inkuni njengamnje nogereza inkuni kubanzima ukuthi uzithole into ezifana nalezo. Ngibona ngisuka kuphi distance ngakanani.
Abanye abantu akhange bafune kuvezwa amagama abo bathi umnikazi omutsha weplaza bahlalisa kabuhlungu. Iphiko labatsha leANC eMpumalanga lihlela umthaga lokuzwakalisa ukungeneliseki ngesenzo esi.
Kunama violation ayenzakalayo apha. Our people stay and have stayed historically. We've identified that for many years they've stayed here. But there seems to be a problem with the current owner of the farm who's violating their stay here. The municipality had plans and there's actually been execution. Contractors have been appointed and they were rejected to come and electrify the residents of our people that are staying here.
Imizamo okufumana umnikazi weplaza akhange iphumelele. Uyokuvele kodwa kaMagistrata eMkovola eKwaGafontein eMpumalanga ngomhla ka26 kinyanga le ngamacala okukhomba umuntu ngesigidi nokubetha. Endabeni zeSABC nginguComfort Masombuka.
Sizikhubulula la zikho sibuye nazo siziphethe ngokudlegana kwazo. Nanyana zikude kangaka siyafika la. Zepolitiki zomnotho zomphakathi zamasiko nezimo bopha zibe inyanga sizichapulule nasifika nazo kuwo sibuya nenyanga lihlelo lendaba ezinabileko ku-DTT qobe ngabulosibili iphiko lendaba ze-SABC.
Ngezemali iranda lizinzile nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Umbono ngewombukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Njeakhe silalamele uJoe Thukwana ehlelweni elinaba ngendaba kuKwekwezi FM izibuya nabazumi. Jo, ngiziphi ezikhethekile kweni iziphetheko ngapho?
Ngiyathokoza Thandeka entambama namhlanje njengoba na ababukeli baqeda nje ukubeka imbono yabo silindele nalapha ngendaba SABC zihatsha namhlanje kusukela ngehour lesithandathu kuyokubetha ihour lekhomba hlangana nesiziphetheko ke zikhamba phambili ngezokuthi ngathi kuthoma ukujayeleka ukuthi naphele kwetshiwa namhlanje ngesikhathi kusahlelwa inkoloyi ezithutha imali kubalwa amapolisa ahlangana kube godu nokuphathwa entolo nokwebiwa kwepahla lapho ihlala khona ibekwazi intolo kubalwe amapolisa ukuthi bekakhona njenge sisenzo esifanako nedorobheni leTshwane lapho amapolisa khona atholakele khona abanyana bekadlelezela ama-trucker wokuthutha ipahla sizabe sikhulumisana nomasipalata ukuthi umhlolo onje wenziwa njani njengoba na isithunzi samapolisa siyehla nje njengoba ngesithuleke ukuthi abalaleli sibalindele bonyana basilethele imbono yabo nangezinye indaba esizobe sizihatsha namhlanje iindaba ngiyathokoza
Asithokoze Thugwana ubujamo bezulu buyalandela impela veke akube ngemnandi